Hi guys, I'm Luke with 4Piston Racing, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of our new K-Series valve spring offerings. Valve springs that are currently on the market and those of the past really were developed about 20 years ago or even more. And those valve springs didn't consider the extreme RPM applications, new camshafts that have gotten bigger and more aggressive, and valve speeds that have gone up, and they didn't consider the extreme boost pressures that people are wanting to run now. It used to be that a 600 horsepower four-cylinder street car was the average of what everybody was asking for. Now everybody's wanting 4-digit power. People are pushing a lot of boost pressure, and those springs are being taxed. They're not up to the task. They don't have enough pressure, they don't have enough stability. There's not enough wire there to support what you guys are wanting to do. So our new K-Series valve springs address some of those problems. The first spring I want to talk about is our high performance street valve spring. This comes in at a really competitive price point, but it is a USA made, very high wire purity valve spring. Big wire diameter, 110 pounds on the seat. So it's stepped up a little from what some of the current offerings are, so that it can control the valve. We don't want the valve being out of control. That may sound like a lot of pressure, but it's really not in these engines. Every time that valve closes and it bounces, you're fatiguing the spring, you're losing compression, you're wearing the seat out, you're wearing the valve out. We want to control that valve. We want it to open and close without any extra movement and events going on. So this comes in at a really good price point, and we make the titanium retainers here. So this is made on our Mazak Swiss lathe equipment, and we're holding tolerances that other equipment just can't hold. Made from the best materials that you can get, unlike some of the other stuff that's on the market. Really good valve spring. The next spring I want to talk about is a step up. This is what we're going to put in all of our really good road race engines, endurance engines. This is our advanced race spring. And again, high purity wire. Some extra processes. It's not the same spring. This is actually a higher pressure. We run 120 pounds on the seat. Same lift, about 16.5 millimeter lift. Has a nitriding and pro polish, so get some impurities out of this wire. Extra processes for extra longevity. Really good valve spring, and again, our seats and retainers, all US material, made right here at 4Piston. Really good stuff. These come packaged like so, 4-piston boxes. All your stuff is inside. Retainers, seats. To purchase these, you're going to want to jump on 4piston.com and head under our cylinder head valve spring section. We also have some packages of cylinder heads with these already installed. So packaging is really nice. You'd be really happy with it. 4piston.com. Check them out.